in this video I'll be teaching you how to cook okpa. These are the ingredients you will need to cook it. You will need some okpa flour, some red palm oil, some salt, red hot pepper or hot yellow pepper, non-toxic plastic bag or steamed plantain leaves. You will mix the okpa flour with some red palm oil very well and then add some warm water a little bit at a time. You have to do this to dissolve all the lumps formed when you mix the okpa with water. Just keep turning it. You can use a plastic spoon or a wooden spoon or a metal spoon or your hands, whichever one suits you better. Just make sure you wash your hands very well before you do that. You have to keep mixing it till you've dissolved it and then keep adding a little bit more water. Keep adding water till it's completely dissolves. All the lumps are gone and it's nice and smooth. Then you now add water to the okpa to get a consistency that looks like milk, tin milk, carnation milk or pig milk when you open it up. It's not very thick, neither is it very liquid. It's kind of in between. That's the perfect consistency. Add your salt and some pepper at this point. You tie it up in bags or plantain leaf and make sure there's no space above it. Tie it tightly and put it in the pot. It's ready to boil. It has to boil for at least 45 minutes. After the okpa has cooked, you can bring it out and enjoy it with any beverage of your choice or water.